loves I, or he loves me. Which one is correct? I love he, or I love him. Do you know the answer? If no, let's watch this video. Subject pronouns. For example, I am a teacher. I is the subject pronoun. The subject is a person or thing that does the action. The singular subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it. And the plurals are we, you, and they. For example, she is my sister. She is the subject pronoun. My brother plays football. My brother is the subject. My father works every day. My father is the subject. My brother plays football every weekend. Who is the subject? Good job. My brother is the subject. My mother cooks dinner every day. Who is the subject pronoun? Excellent. My mother is the subject pronoun. Lucy is my favorite pet. Who is the subject pronoun? Excellent. Lucy is the subject. Object pronouns. For example, I love him. I love him. In this sentence, what is I? I is a subject pronoun. Yes? How about him? What is him? Him is the object pronoun. I love him. I love you. I love her. I love it. I love us. I love them. So here is the list of object pronouns. So the object or the object pronoun receives the action. Now tell me which one is correct. He likes she, or he likes her. Excellent. The correct answer is he likes her. So he is the subject pronoun and her is the object pronoun. This is my picture. My picture. My sunglasses. Your picture. Your sunglasses. Her picture. His picture. Its picture. Our pictures. Their pictures. So they are possessive adjectives. When I say it's my picture, it means this picture is for me. This is my picture. It is for me. Or it's your picture, so this picture is for you. Adjectives comes before a noun. So all the time we have my picture. We don't say this is mine. No, this is my picture. This is my car. This is your son. This is your phone. Now answer this question. Fill in the blanks. Dog is friendly. A, my. B is mine. Excellent. My dog is friendly. And the last part, possessive pronouns. I told you these are my sunglasses. Yes? So these sunglasses are mine. Or these sunglasses are yours. These sunglasses are hers. These sunglasses are his. These sunglasses are its. These sunglasses are ours. These sunglasses are theirs. So after possessive pronouns, we don't have a noun. So we say, this picture is mine. We don't say this picture is mine picture. No. This picture is mine, or this is my picture. So after my we have noun, but after mine we don't have a noun. Okay? Now tell me which one is correct. This phone is ours, or this phone is our. Excellent. This phone is ours.